Jump at the gun here just a little bit. Hungry. I'm very hungry. That was my stomach. And I might need another coffee. The song is such a like drawn out, quiet ending that it's like, oh my god, am I supposed to talk? But no. Literally my stomach growling. White t-shirt. Oh, I'm so hungry. I don't know if you heard my stomach growl quite aggressively earlier. There we go again. Rule the world. I don't know if you can hear my stomach growling, but I sure can, and it's... I don't know if you get a better shot if I like... This is a dangerous choice, standing up on the chair like this, but... Oh, that's my stomach growling. But yeah, they're like little crescent moons. Sorry if you're listening to the sounds of my stomach growling. It's because I didn't eat anything this morning, and that was a mistake. Did you hear that? That was my stomach growling. I'm so hungry. Grandma coming in strong, huh? Oh my god, can you hear my stomach growling? I'm so hungry. If you hear my stomach growling, I apologize. So they're like literally right across the street from one another. Wow, that was my stomach growling super loudly. I'm so sorry about that.